What's up everyone, I'm Dan and I'm going to be looking at the Hakii Mix headphones. Now, if you're new here, please make sure to subscribe if you want to see more videos like these, and please be sure to hit the like button if you like the review. Now, the Hakii Mix Smart Headband headphones are designed so the user can work out and move freely without worrying about any earphone or headphones getting in the way. The Hakii Mix works by using air conduction, and that means as nothing is over or in your ears, you have more awareness of what's going on around you, which makes for a more safer and comfortable workout. Being so used to more traditional earphones and headphones, I found the sound of the Hakii Mix to be surprisingly clear with some really good bass to it. It's not overly loud at full volume, but you won't have any issues to hear or enjoy whatever it is that you're listening to. Something else I've also found surprising is how little anyone else around you will be able to hear, which is good as it means that whatever you're listening to won't be distracting whoever is near you. Saying that, if you do have the volume up high in a quiet room with no background noise, then those around will be able to hear some sound bleeding. Setup is very easy, holding down the power button for a few seconds to switch on the unit, and then just by using Bluetooth to connect it to your phone or even to your games console, because why not? The unit also has its own volume control, so you can adjust the volume easily while you're on the move. The Hakii Mix comes with a USB-C charging cable and two head straps of different lengths to attach to the unit. These are easily attached to these points of the headset, and I really appreciated the option of not only having the two straps but the different divots on the unit to adjust to make sure that the unit fits comfortably over your head. I wore mine around the house doing some light exercising to test it out, and I found it to be really comfortable even after a long duration of using it. You can also use the Hakii Mix for hands-free calls, and after testing this, I'm happy to report that this too works well. The two microphones in the unit use beam-forming array to reduce the conversational noise and ensure clear conversations. The Hakii Mix with its innovative design boasts excellent sound quality, crystal clear vocals in noisy environments, and up to 8 hours of music on one full charge. It all comes in at £120 and comes in a blue and black design. For my first time using headphones like this, I was constantly impressed by the quality. Not only is it comfortable to wear, but the sound quality is equally impressive. Now, you're obviously not going to be wearing this to the office, or maybe you will, and it doesn't beat the sound quality of regular headphones or earphones. However, if you are looking for something that allows you to move comfortably and freely while you exercise or do things around the house, the Hakii Mix is the perfect option. You won't worry about earphones falling out or getting lost or damaged, and your ears won't start feeling uncomfortable like they would after long periods of using regular headphones. There's also the safety aspect, so if you're out on a run for example, you'll be more aware of what is happening around you. I'll leave a link in the descriptions below to the Hakii website, but what do you think about the Hakii Mix Headband headphones? Is it something that you would use? Anyway, as always, thank you very much for watching the review. Make sure you hit that like button, subscribe for more, and I'll catch you next time.